Hey guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. If you're new here, I'd love for you to join our food family by clicking the subscribe link down below. I do a lot of modern, traditional, global food, and I would love for you to check it out. Today's video has a star ingredient. It's a tahini. Tahini is not just for hummus. I'm making them into brownies today. That is a secret ingredient, and it's just good. I mean, who would think to put tahini and chocolate together? It's delicious. So let me show you the ingredients. Some bittersweet chocolate chips here. You could also use a chocolate bar or like a baking bar. Some butter, tahini, eggs, vanilla extract, some sugar, flour, baking soda, and a little bit of a tahini is gonna go on top before I bake it as well. And we're gonna swirl it around with a little toothpick, make it look all pretty. So let's get started. I am gonna start by putting this into the microwave. I want the butter and the chocolate to get all melty and create just a luscious chocolatey mixture. And that's gonna be our base, so let's do that. Look at how good this looks. I feel like I could swim in this mixture. So all the chocolate chips are melted and it's time to add the sugar. Adding the sugar now will kind of help cool this down before we add the eggs, because we don't want the eggs to scramble in a hot mixture. So I'm gonna do that, give it a good mix, and then we'll come back. Sugar is fully incorporated into here. I'm gonna add a bit of vanilla extract and then both of my eggs. It's looking good, nice and thick, and now I'm gonna add all my tahini. So tahini is sesame paste, and the flavor in here is almost reminiscent of like peanut butter, but I think this is way better. It's such a sophisticated flavor and it works perfectly together. So lastly, I'm gonna add my flour. I just wanna give this a good mix so it's well incorporated in the dry ingredients, and sprinkle that in. And then when you're working with the flour, you just wanna fold it in. The more you overwork it, the tougher your brownies will become. These are kind of like a mixture between fudgy and chewy brownies. It's such an awesome texture. So just work it in, give it a few good flips, and it's getting there. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this to my pan that I've lined with parchment paper. So I'm gonna add the mixture into my pan. It's an 8x8 baking pan. If yours is a different size, just be aware that the baking time may vary. I want it to get every little piece. I'm just gonna make sure that it is along all sides of this baking dish. You can kind of already see the texture. See how it's not really sticking to my spoon? That's because of the oils in the tahini. So it's gonna work a little differently than like a normal fudgy brownie batter would do. I'm gonna add the tahini next and swirl it all in. Just taking a couple good tablespoons of it and just kind of let it drizzle all over. I'm gonna take a toothpick and just kind of swirl it around so that it gives the spread of tahini a nice design. And you can go whichever way you want. See how it just makes it look like it came from a bakery? All right, these are going into an oven at 350 degrees for about 28 to 30 minutes, and then you get to eat them. Yes! Man, these look so good. I really had to stop myself from eating them. I had to show them to you. I let them cool off a little bit. I was good, but now it's time to eat. So, first things first, I said baking powder, I meant to say salt. So scratch that whole baking powder thing. You don't need baking powder, you need salt. Now, I'm gonna get to these crispy edges because that is just calling my name. You can see the fudginess even all the way to the corner, but it's not all the way fudgy. It's still got a little bit of like mouthfeel to it. Just so good. Just so good. Tahini and chocolate is like the new peanut butter chocolate. I'm telling you, you have to give these a try. Be sure to let me know when you do give them a try. I have some hashtags that I'd love for you to use when you use my recipes. Don't forget to join our food family by hitting the subscribe button down below and check out some other awesome videos that I have on the side for you as well. Thanks for watching the bite, guys. We'll see you next time.